Hello everyone. Today in this video we will going to learn about strings. So what are strings? String is a data type actually, and what are data types we will be learning in the sooner videos. But string is a string of text basically. If you want to insert any text like in our previous programs, like we know how to print something like this. So we did 2 plus 2 here. I think I also did like. I also told how to add a string of text here. So like world, and I also told you like this, and I also told how to run that program. So I actually got the output hello world, and we got the result of 2 plus 2 4. So basically we print it as it is hello world. So we will learn how to do this. Actually it sounds a bit simple, but it's have a something that you should know, and some errors you should avoid. So I will name a new file name .py, and what I will do here is create a new line of text. So like print hello world, right? So if I run my third.py here, so it gave me output hello world. So we know how to do this. What if I want to write some multi-line output? So can I do like this? And I'm just letting you know, can you do like this, something like this? This is a multi-line comment, actually string. Can you do this? Actually no. So because it would give me a, so how can I add a multi-line comment here? Means multi-line string, sorry. So if I want to do like this, I have to add triple quotes here. So if I added triple quotes here, so you can see that there's like output and it printed as it is. So if I remove those spaces there, and let me remove those spaces here, yeah. So you guys can see that thing, and it printed the extra line because I have given that extra line. And let me remove extra line from here also. Yeah, so you can see here this is a multi-line string, and it is also working perfectly fine. So but if I want to add a path, so if you're a Windows user, a path begins from C colon and backslash and something path like hello backslash path to file, actually something like this. I'm not a very Windows user, but actually what I will do here is I will do not uh, path to file. So what I will do here is literally run this program, and it gave me an error. Yeah, I'm not sure. Okay, actually it's my error on. I didn't close that, so let me close that here, and you guys will see this. What happened? So let me understand you like what happened actually. So let me remove this line here, and if I want to print a path like a Windows path basically, in Linux path are separated from forward slash, so slash home, actually slash home slash anand slash personal, and stuff like that. Like they're separated like this, but in Windows it is separated something like this from like backslash, and that's actually a downside. But even like some people know why how to print a backslash. So can you print a backslash here? And yes, you can't. Actually we can't do it directly because it do it like it's something like escape characters. So what are escape characters? Escape characters something like this. So if I want to write hello and backslash in, so I'm just using a backslash in, I will tell you why, and I think she should do this face. And now what I'll do here is if I run this program here again, can see here that I should remove this line. Actually, I there's no need to remove this line. You can comment them. So if you add a hash in some of them, I will let you know the comments in just a moment here. So if I put a hash after this, so it will ignore all these lines. So if you want something like this, escape characters, and you can do something like this if I want, because if you just write escape characters like this, it would give me an error. Like it doesn't like that thing. So you can just add anything you want in the after the hash, and hash also works after in the end. So if you want to ignore this hello here, not this line, so you can also do like this. So it also works. And the next thing I want to teach you, like what happened actually. So you can see like hello comes and it gives a line, and that's the output here. So why did it create a new line? So basically these are escape characters. So these backslash n is an something like escape character. So if you want to write something like this, um, and so for that, yeah. So if you want to something print like this, so you want to like print and world, hello and world here. So if you want to do something like this, like print a new line here, so instead of this you can just do something like this. So let me go here and do something like this. So actually I created a new space here, so that's why I printed that extra space here. But if I just save it and run here, like you can see here is that the hello is coming and a new line. There are more escape characters like this, like backslash t and tabla. Actually tabla is an instrument if someone doesn't know, but it created a 4 space actually. 1 2 3 4 actually is. So basically it created a tab space here. So if you want to create a tab space, you can do a backslash t. Sometimes tab space are 8 and sometimes it's 4. So if you want to add a backslash, so you can do something like this. But at some point, if you want to literally type this, actually. So if you want to literally type backslash t backslash t, so how would you do it? Like you can add double double backslash. So you can see like here, like it literally put the backslash and a backslash t here. So it worked like this. But if I want to add a double, will this work? Let's see. It actually, you guys see that it actually didn't work. So what if I want to print a double this? So another great thing is R string. So if I put a R in for these backslash this quotes and like this, and if I want to add two here, if I want basically two backslash here, so I can use the R string, and you can see here like it's happening like this. So I hope you guys understand, like R string is better like than double, like it sometimes mess up like this. You can see here it literally generated a new line and printed tab. So if you want something like this, I'm not sure if anyone would need this, but if you want need this, like R string is a great thing for you. So I hope you guys understand about R string. I'm not taught about variables yet, so I want to teach something about like f string or something like that. F string is also very useful, but I hope you guys know about this. The next thing we will do here is, I think I should also comment this, and I think just to maintain the code here, uh, multi-line string. escape characters, and the next thing we will do here is concatenation, string concatenation. So if I want to add something like this, and plus word, skip what it will do, let me told you. So you can, like, let's assume like you guys might be thinking that plus is only available for like floating numbers or in integers here. So actually, see guys, the result, and you can see here that plus is working fine. So if you wanna do something like concatenates, then basically yes, the word is kind of concatenate, I'm not sure, but it's kind of complex word. So you can also something like do like this here, and this works. And if you want to add a space between word and word, like you can also something like do like this, like add a strip space here, or you can also do like adding space here. So like you can something do like this, but something like this is also comma here. So if you add a comma here, it would add extra spaces. So you can use either commas or plus, whatever you want. I do use plus because I have to sometimes have to not add a space here, so I use comma for like some other purposes. You can also do something like this, like 3 into I'm going something like crazy, but like you say, hello the world. So it literally printed hello. So you can see here that it didn't did world because I haven't put it in the brackets. So if I put this in brackets here, and it would actually do, let's see, it's still not doing this. And there's a reason behind this, and I will let you know in my few videos, but it still doesn't work. I will told you like it's something like Python doesn't support, and you can see that hello world is coming. So but I think I should increase the space here. So like see it like this. Also I forgot that we can also quote everything in single quote. So like this would also work. So right. Um, like this would also work fine. So you can see like this also works. Actually I didn't add an extra space here, but like simply this only. So it only generates space here. So you can also do like this to have spaces here also. So but so there is no need to space add here space. So you can see here that there is no need to add space here. So I hope you understand all of these that I told. So now I will be telling you about indexing here. So for example, you have a string here like my name is Anand Gupta. So like this would printing simply. Yeah, it's not hard. So you can see here that my name is Anand Gupta is coming. And now if I want to access the n here, like only the n here, so what I can do here, like I can count the letters. So starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and actually sorry, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I can access it by writing in brackets here is 3. So if I do like this, so it won't print that because we actually didn't have any because we have included it in our print statement. So we will go out of a print and insert it here. So like this actually, yeah. So now I can access the n here. So you can see here n is coming here. Now if I want to access the t here, So like you will count here, like if it is stupidly long string, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. So at 19, if I do a 19 here, if I do 19 here, like then you can access the tree here. So like it's like stupidly counting. So what you can do is do negative indexing. So if I do -1 here, it will print the a there. So actually I didn't save that. Yeah, I didn't save that earlier. So you can see here that a is printed here. So if I do -2 here, side, I can see that 0 and sorry, actually -1 and -2 here. So if I do -2 here, actually so if I do -2 here, I can access the t here. So what if I want to access the name is part here? So I can count here like 0 1 2 3. So starting from 3, 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 actually. So I want the 3 to 10 part. So if I want something like this, so I want 3 to 10 like this, I can have this. And actually there's extra space here also. So if I do a 9 here, 3 to 9, right now actually, so I think I didn't count it properly, so actually it's only so now I would only access the names part. But if I want everything that is starting from n to the very end, so if I do something like this, p colon, like you can see name is another done, it printed anything and then. But if I want something that is it in the string, so like from 33, like 33 is not in the string, I'm counting it earlier, like it was 20 earlier. So where this works actually, so you can see here that the error is coming like this. So 33 won't work. You guys understood that. So if I want something like this, 3 to 33, will this work? Yeah, it will work, and actually it won't give an error. So it can have an exception at this point. So if I want everything in the string, so like I can literally print the string, or just for the funny purposes, like you can add a column there, so it would bring the whole string. So I hope you guys understand this. And if I want like from -1 to end, you can see here that actually this won't work because -1 is this and end is nothing. So so you should have done this instead. So add a -1 here, and now actually till -1 because it won't count -1. I think I didn't told you earlier, but it won't count -1 here. So which is -1 this here, and it won't count this. So I hope you guys understood about strings and indexing stuff. In the next video, we will be learning about variables, and thanks for watching.